Learning idioms or common American phrases is a great way to sound like a native speaker. By the end of this video, you'll learn 6 common American phrases so that you can sound more like a native speaker. Okay, so I'm going to be using a tool that I love so much called Youglish.com. Youglish.com is owned by YouTube. It's a great way for you to look up phrases or words and see how normal American English speakers would say it. I'm going to bring up common American phrases that may not make a lot of sense, but are used a lot in phrases by native speakers. Okay, so the first one is going to be break a leg. Break a leg. So this phrase means good luck. Okay, break a leg. So let's look up on Youglish.com, let's look up break a leg. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the US accent. So you can do the UK accent, Australian accent, or the US accent. So for our purposes, we're going to use the US accent. So break a leg. So let's see what we come up with here.
I hope you guys are having a great day. I love you so much. Break a leg, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Okay, so break a leg. She's like, good luck and break a leg. Okay. All right, let's look at the next one.
Conversation and break a leg with all your future projects and your film.
So break a leg with all your future projects. So that's a phrase that he's using. Just good luck. Good luck with all your future projects. Okay, let's do one more here.
So you might say, break a leg at your audition today. I'm sure you'll do great.
Okay, break a leg on your audition today. Break a leg. All right, let's go through another common phrase in American English. Hit the hay. Okay, hit the hay. So hit the hay means go to bed. All right, hit the hay.
I have a last-minute chore at the end of the day. I need to hit the hay. No, instead it just means sleep. I need to hit the hay. My head needs to go on the pillow. I need to hit the hay.
Well, great. She's explaining it too. So hit the hay is a phrase of just go to sleep. Let's see how else it's used.
Okay, now I'm ready to hit the hay.
All right, so they're using that in reference to going to sleep. Okay, hit the hay, hit the hay. So as far as the linking and connecting with that word and the pronunciation, hit the hay, hit the hay. That T to the TH sound, just stop the T and lead right into the TH sound. Hit the hay. All right, let's go over the next one. Let's see, bite the bullet. Let's go with bite the bullet. Let's see what Youglish comes up with.
By another individual, or you have to bite the bullet and go to a hearing clinic and actually buy new ones.
Okay, bite the bullet means you have to face a difficult situation with courage. Okay, so you're going to have to bite the bullet and go purchase a new one. Bite the bullet, face a difficult situation. You're not happy about this, you just have to do it. You have to bite the bullet. Okay, let's see what the next one is.
But I was willing to do it. I was going to bite the bullet and do it.
I was going to bite the bullet and I was going to do it. Okay, so she's ready to just face that difficult situation.
So I thought, bite the bullet, don't put a voice in there. I mean, that would be the way that I would feel more secure.
So these phrases really get just worked into American English so often. So I understand the confusion. It doesn't make any sense. Bite the bullet. That doesn't make any sense literally, but figuratively, this is what that is meaning. Okay, the next one is kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. This is to accomplish 2 things at once. Okay, so we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. We're accomplishing 2 things at once.
That would be a way to kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Okay, that would be a way to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, what else?
And to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It would divide the large chunk of incorporated land.
It's designed to accomplish 2 things at once. Okay, so used very commonly in American English. Let's do one more with this one.
There's a way to kill 2 birds with 1 stone here.
Now you're going to come across these sayings so often in presentations, at work, in movies, in shows. So it's really important to understand the context of what these are really meaning so that you can use them appropriately if you want to try it out yourself, or as you're listening to American speakers, you can hear those phrases and be like, okay, I'm following what they're saying. They don't literally mean I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. They're just figuratively speaking. So I'm curious, have you heard any of these phrases at work or in presentations or on TV? And what was your initial reaction to it? I'd love to hear that in the comments. And what other phrases come up for you that you have noticed that like, oh, okay, there's an idiom, doesn't actually mean that. And what was your reaction to that? All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Okay, this is to reveal a secret. So when someone says, I'm going to let the cat out of the bag, we're revealing something that's unknown. So let's see how it's used in context.
Anti-war movement.
Well, John Ehrlichman actually let the cat out of the bag. He gave a quote in Harper's Magazine.
He let the cat out of the bag. He revealed that secret. He told the secret and let everybody know. Okay, interesting.
Wild, but suffice it to say, they let the cat out of the bag and way too early.
They let the cat out of the bag and way too early. They told people before they were ready, right? Okay, this is happening so often in American English. So it's important to really understand these phrases. Let the cat out of the bag. And some of these phrases, practice saying them fluidly and linking word to word so that you can say them fluidly as well. Let the cat out of the bag, out of the bag. All right, the next one is barking up the wrong tree. Okay, barking up the wrong tree means making a wrong assumption or accusation. So you're barking up the wrong tree, you're assuming incorrectly.
You're barking up the wrong tree with the God talk, so I'm an atheist.
You're barking up the wrong tree with the God comment. I'm an atheist. So it's saying you're assuming that I believe in God, but really I don't, okay? So you're barking up the wrong tree with this one.
Aristotle was barking up the wrong tree, though.
Aristotle was barking up the wrong tree, though. So he was making a wrong assumption. He was barking up the wrong tree. All right, let's do one more with this.
Help keep your immune cells from barking up the wrong tree.
Okay, you can see how prevalent these idioms are. They're all over our language, and I apologize because it is so hard, but I know that you probably have the same thing happening in your language. There's an evolution of just these common phrases. However they get started, they just kind of get worked into the language so that people are using them and not really realizing that they're using these phrases that literally don't make any sense, but in context and the way that we are used to using language, they just get worked in there. So understanding these idioms, understanding these common phrases in American English, and understanding the meaning behind it is really going to help bring a lot of context, bring a lot of meaning and understanding. So hopefully this helped a lot, and we'll do more of these videos so that you can learn more of these common American phrases so you can sound more like a native and understand more like a native. Now, if you want to speak clearly and with more confidence in American English, go ahead and check out this next video, How to Improve Your English Pronunciation.